all together, from top rock to footwork to a freeze. Now, you've got your basic stuff down. You got some basic top rock, you got some basic footwork, and a basic baby freeze down. Now, how do we put all this together? I'm about to show you. Let's say we're top rocking. Basic top rock, we're crossing our feet. Now, let's get down into that corkscrew. So, when my left foot is crossed over, what I'm gonna do is jump into the cross leg position. I'm gonna take my back leg and then cross over into my pivot to the corkscrew, going down and open up. Let me show you that again. Basic top rock, step over, cross, pivot down into your corkscrew. Once you're down to the floor, open up. Then you can cross your legs for a basic 6-step. Let me do it one more time. So you're going to basic top rock, pivot down, corkscrew, open up your feet, go right into your 6-step. Once I'm in the push-up position, I can go take my thumb, place it down. I don't want to freeze on my thumb, and I can go right into my freeze. Okay, let's put it all together pretty quick. Let's try it a little bit faster. So, basic top rock, cross over, corkscrew, open up, 6-step. Once I'm in this position, right into my baby freeze. Okay? Last time, challenge. Let's go a little bit quicker. So, basic tops, cross, corkscrew, open up, 6-step, and your freeze. All right, I'm B-Boy Push from New York City, and if you've mastered each one of these steps from the basic tutorial series, you can now move on to the beginner tutorial series. We're gonna learn more top rock, some more footwork and footwork combos, some more advanced freezes, and some basic power moves.